If you want to free up storage space on a Realme 14T, then first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here in the settings we're gonna scroll all the way down and go to about the device. Now we're gonna go to our storage over here, and then at the bottom you should be able to find the cleanup button. So we can go over here in order to perform the cleanup, and then you should be able to see the details. Over here we have the summary of how much space we can get back. If you go to the details you can see that we can remove cache junk from apps. You can also find installation packages. Everything can be manually enabled or disabled, meaning that you can decide what should be cleared. So if you don't want to remove cache from certain apps or something, or if you want to if you want to keep installation packages, then of course you can decide to do so. After that, just press clear, and that's pretty much it. Besides that, we have some additional options over here that we can scroll through in order to find out what we can do in addition to that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.